Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you how to use the Replit to build a website step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Replit website. Make sure that you are logged into your account. And on the home page, you'll see an option to create something new. Click Create or prompt box if AI creation is available. Choose Web App. And here in the prompt box, type what you want to build, like this example prompt here. Create a landing page for the t-shirt store. Then click Start or Generate. The Replit AI will begin creating your project, including the layout and the basic code. And once it loads, you'll see the code on the left side and a live preview of your website. You can edit the text, colors, images, layouts. Just change the code and your preview updates automatically. Click Run button at the top and the Replit will launch your website so you can see how it looks. Once you're happy with the result, just click Share or Publish, and the Replit will give you a live website link so you can send it to others. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!